So basically, we're now showing our private community, and Jan shared his results like today, 4th of April. He's sharing like updates every month, basically, and this is the 4th update. And he has another 28-day cycle, and he's now at $330 every single month with his search channel, and he just hit a $20 day, basically, with his channel. And as a background information, by the way, he doubled compared to previous month, 93% increase. So that's crazy. So his videos are now starting to compound that he uploaded like 1 or 2 months ago as well. But some background information here. Jan is 37 years old. Like maybe you guys seen the student interview on our YouTube channel. 37 years old, 4 months ago, haven't made any dollar online yet. Didn't know anything about YouTube. Joined our community, and we basically gave him the advice, like what we always do to our members, is do the volume game, keep uploading, and of course some other tips and strategies that we share, because it's not one thing that he's implementing. Of course, it's like a process. But for now, he's uploading really well, and the main key of his success, I think, is the freelancer he found. Someone from South Africa that's really hungry and eager to learn. But basically, he grew pretty rapidly, and I think he can hit the 1K mark in at least 4 months if he keeps going this way. And it's just insane to see that like a total tech noob can basically start making money on YouTube with our specific search strategy. So it's pretty cool.
Yeah. And like Ron mentioned, I did an interview with Jan, and it is on the YBA YouTube Business Academy YouTube channel. And I think also maybe a podcast, maybe not. No, maybe just a video. So if you guys are on Spotify, if you guys are on Spotify, it's like a 10-minute interview. So just go YouTube Business Academy on YouTube, look up the video, and check out the interview as well. So it's working.
that interview, I think, is 1.5 months ago or something, and he was around the $100 mark back then.
Yeah,
so it's crazy to see that he already doubled. So if he can continue with this pace, which he will, because like he's now seeing the success, and he will now almost break even in terms of video production. So he basically is now he now created an asset for himself that's generating cash flow, and it's paying for itself.
Yeah.
So he has like a 4 months investment in terms of money and time. And now the investment is paying itself back. And from here, he will start generating profit, which he can take or start doing more videos, or maybe once he hit the 1K mark, start a second channel. And 1 year from now, he has basically his expenses covered, because you can then with 2 channels, you can pretty much hit 3 to 5K a month realistically, I think.
Yeah, and what I was saying about affiliate marketing as well is that like I get lost sometimes because, obviously you and I were a little bit further ahead than some other people listening to this, right? And I get lost and I forget like how much time and work I have already put into in order to be able to get to this point where, I'm a partner a lot of the affiliates, right? I get accepted, like no problem. But if you're just starting out, like Ron said, it's probably not the best idea to do right away affiliate marketing, because if you don't have any assets to show for, why would they accept you in the first place? So you need to start first building up your digital asset portfolio, right? Posting videos, right? Investing money into it. And then once you have traction going on, and once you're already like pulling in good views every month, once you have like authority and stuff, then you can start applying, and then you can start basically increasing your earnings a lot with more affiliate networks. So
exactly,
that's something to keep in mind.